So traditionally in the office, we would obviously use computer-aided design as the main design tool. But we realized that using GIS, we were able to do the kind of work that we do in the urban design group much more efficiently. A few years ago, we won a competition to design a public transport network in Jeddah, which included both the rolling stock, but also stations for metro and for buses, for trams and water taxis. Data visualization is an increasingly important aspect, given the amount of data and information that needs to be conveyed to both the client, but also people within the organization. And tools like GIS are a perfect match to analyze and understand that data efficiently. So there were really three main areas where we used GIS within the Jeddah project. The first one was to understand the stations with much more detail. So we did social demographic analysis of people who lived and worked within the areas to be able to plan the stations accordingly. We used ArcGIS Online to share the network information with our clients and with the staff on site. We'd then be able to walk around Jeddah and effectively see where the stations would be. And we used Collector to collect information on land use data and so on. And thirdly, we used ArcGIS for desktop and in a way sort of to plan the station master plans in the vicinity of these stations. So we have been able to generate density maps, for instance, that visualize where people live at the moment and how that would change in the future. We also used the time-enabled maps to visualize how the network will be built out over time to understand much more intuitively how the network will evolve as it gets built out. These tools have been incredibly important in being able to make decisions much more quickly than we would have been using traditional methods or pen and paper. Smart cities is a topic that's being discussed very widely at the moment in the industry. To us, it's not just about technology, but it's about creating sensible and smart projects that respond to the needs of the people, projects that promote a healthy lifestyle, but also projects in cities that are managed well and run smoothly. I think GIS has a tremendous potential to help us design cities much more intelligently and create a more sustainable future.